Hare Krishna. Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 3, Text 16. Evam pravartitam chakram nanuvartayati haya athayurindriya ramo mogham partha sajivati. Meaning, for those who want to enjoy this material world, cycle of performing yajnas is absolutely necessary. One who does not follow such regulations is living a very risky life, being condemned more and more. By nature's law, this human form of life is specifically meant for self-realization in either of the three ways, namely Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga or Bhakti Yoga. There is no necessity of rigidly following the performances of the prescribed yajnas for the transcendentalists who are above vice and virtue. There are different kinds of activities. Therefore, the yajnas are directly aimed at the particular demigods mentioned in the Vedas. Indirectly, it is a practice of Krishna consciousness, because when one masters the performance of yajnas, one is sure to become Krishna conscious. But if by performing yajnas one does not become Krishna conscious, such principles are counted as only moral codes. Text 17. यस्त्वात्मरतिरेव स्यात् आत्मतृप्तश्च मानवः आत्मन्येव च सन्तुष्टस्तस्य कार्यं न विद्यते. Meaning, a person who is fully Krishna conscious and is fully satisfied by his acts in Krishna consciousness no longer has any duty to perform. Due to his being Krishna conscious, all impurity within is instantly cleaned, an effect of many thousands of yajnas performance. By such clearing of consciousness, one becomes fully confident of his internal position in the relationship with the Supreme. His duty thus becomes self-illuminated by the grace of the Lord, and therefore he no longer has any obligations to the Vedic injunctions. Text 18. नैव तस्य कृतेनार्थो न कृतेनेह कश्चन न चास्य सर्वभूतेषु कश्चिदर्थव्यपाश्रयः. Meaning, a Krishna conscious man does not take shelter of any person, man or demigod. Whatever he does in Krishna consciousness is sufficient in the discharge of his obligation. Text 19. तस्मादसक्तः सततं कार्यं कर्म समाचर असक्तो ह्याचरन् कर्म परमाप्नोति पुरुषः. Meaning, a person acting for Krishna or in Krishna consciousness under proper guidance and without attachment to the results of the work is certainly making progress towards the supreme goal of life. To be a good man or non-violent man is a personal attachment, but to act on behalf of the Supreme is to act without attachment for the result. That is a perfect action of the highest degree recommended by Sri Krishna. A Krishna conscious person has no attachment for the result but acts as on behalf of Krishna alone. He engages in all kinds of activities but is completely non-attached. Text 20. कर्मण्यैव हि संसिद्धिम् आस्तिधा जनकादयः लोकसङ्ग्राहमेवापि सम्पश्यन् कर्तुमर्हसि. Meaning, Lord Krishna and Arjuna, the Lord's eternal friend, had no need to fight in the battle of Kurukshetra, but they fought to teach people in general that violence is also necessary in a situation where good arguments fail. Before the battle of Kurukshetra, every effort was made to avoid the war, but the other party was determined to fight. So for such a right cause, there is a necessity for fighting. Although one who is situated in Krishna consciousness may not have any interest in the world, he still works to teach the public how to live and how to act. Experienced persons in Krishna consciousness can act in such a way that others will follow. Hare Krishna.